All right, for the house loan mortgage portion, so you're just going to be thinking about what house um or when you would like to buy a house when you get done with college. So pick however many years that is. Think of something reasonable for your life. I mean, I wouldn't put like 30 years down the road, but if you wanted to put somewhere between 5 to 10, whatever you're thinking, I'm going to put 5 for the example. And so look up a house, research something that you would like to buy as your first home. Put that cost in number 28. So I'm just going to go with a $300,000 house. And then put the link to whatever it is that whatever home it is that you found here. So when you're buying a house, you usually want to do a down payment of somewhere between 10 to 20% or try to plan for that. So pick that. So for this $300,000 house, I'm going to do 10% of it. So I'm going to say that I would like to save about $30,000. And then, so your savings per month to achieve this goal. So remember that I decided I want to buy a house in 5 years. So how many months is that? So do 5, whatever you put here, times 12. So in my case, 60 months. So you're just going to take your down payment. Okay, so whatever your down payment was divided by the number of months that you would like to be saving for. So in this example, 30,000 divided by 60. So I'm looking to save $500 a month to meet that goal. So then when you go to actually purchase your home, okay, how much are you going to finance for your loan? So this is going to be the cost of your house, which is in number 28, minus your down payment, which is in number 29. So subtract those two values. And for my example, I'm getting $270,000 is what I'm going to be taking out a loan for. And then home loans come in 15, 20, or 30-year options generally. Obviously, you'll pay less interest on a 15-year loan, but the payment will be significantly higher. I would say generally probably people buying their first home are going to finance it at 30 years. So that's what I'm going to put here. You can do what you want. Then research and just Google what the average interest rate on a 30-year home mortgage is right now. Interest rates are pretty low, so it's going to be pretty low. I'm going to put in like 3.5% here. So I would say if this number, I'll be looking in your project, I don't want this number to be 1%, but I don't want it to be 6%. Okay, so kind of look at what the average is right now for interest rates. I would say they're going to be somewhere around 3%. And then if you Googled it, just put the Bank of Google here. Then you're going to use, to get your monthly payment, now you need to use that TVM calculator that you downloaded on your phone. Okay, I'm going to use the web version. So the present value is going to be how much you are financing. So what was your loan amount? Mine was $270,000. The payment is what you're looking for. Your future value, you would like that to be 0 so that you pay off your loan. Put whatever interest rate you determined. So for me, it was 3.5%. Periods is going to be however long you decided to finance for. I did 30 years. And then you're going to multiply that by 12 for months per year. So for me, it's going to be 30 years. So 360 months. Then hit payment. And that's going to give you your mortgage payment. Okay, so for mine, it calculated $1,212.42. And that would be your monthly payment here. Whoops. So then go ahead and in F, and I would say this is what many people get wrong in projects past. And they calculate this wrong. So you want to do your monthly payment times the number of months. Okay, so that's whatever you get for number 35. Okay, times how many months you were taking this loan out. So for me, it was 360 months. then you need to add in that down payment because you've already paid that. So that's part of the total cost of your house. And that down payment was in number 29. And then that should go in number 36. This should be more than the cost of your house. So my house was $300,000. This is going to be significantly higher than that because of the interest that I'm paying. So I would do 1,200, and you just do this in a regular calculator. So 1,200, I mean, whatever your payment is. Mine is $1,212.42 times 360 months. So just that portion is $436,471.2. And then I need to add in my down payment of $30,000. So my total cost of my house is $466,471.20 after 30 years of paying. So I end up paying $166,000 in interest, which makes you want to cry. So that's how you do the home mortgage portion.